So this morning I will make a video about resolving merge conflicts with Git. So sometimes people will be working with Git on the same code base and will knowingly or accidentally edit the same parts of a file. This can sometimes cause merge conflicts when Git tries to combine the two versions or the changes from the two people. So basically the Git tool cannot always figure out how to merge two changes. The point of this video is basically to try to show how you fix those merge conflicts. So the reason I'm making this video now is because I recently made a few changes to lab 2 and 3 and published that to the assignments folder. So the point then is for you guys to bring those changes into your private repository, and I suspect that this will cause merge conflicts for some of you. So here's how you can take a look at this. So first of all, let's go to the assignments repository. You navigate to this link here on GitHub, and you go to the commits. This list of commits here shows what changes has been made at various dates. And this morning I published a change to lab 3 with an important clarification, and also a change to lab 6 C questions. There was a redundant question, was twice, and there was a minor clarification needed for question number 6. So those were the changes I made yesterday. I don't think the other changes that we've published so far would cause any merge conflicts, or it's very unlikely. So, but this last change to lab number 2 may have impact some of you. The other place you might want to go is to your own private labs repository. So I have this one, and here I have all my changes. So I've published or added solution code to test things that it works with our solutions. And if we go to these commits, you see I have many more commits than what is in the original assignments repository. I want to point out that at this point here, you see there's a merge branch. And this is because if you do a regular merge, then it will create a separate commit demarcating that it was merged, and it's bringing in some commits that was originally from the assignments repository, and it's not some changes that I made myself. So these two commits here, they are really part of this merge with the assignments repository. All right, so let's head over to the terminal here. So here I'm in my labs repository on my laptop, so we can just do git status. We see it's clean. All my changes has been committed, and it's up to date with the origin master, meaning that it's up to date with this repository on GitHub. So all my changes here. The last commit was I added a few git ignore things and some spelling notes, and we can check git log on our local copy as well, and we see that this was also the last commit that is here, so it's in sync. All right, so next thing we can do is, or I want to do, is to show that we have this set up with the remotes as you need with the course assignments, and this remote is what we're going to use to pull in the changes from the assignments repository. So let's do git pull course assignments master. All right, so let's see what happens. Right, so here it's going through, and it's able to auto merge many of the changes here, even though I have changed these files myself. The changes are not in a part of the file that we both made changes to. However, there are some changes here that has conflicts in the content. And so I have to fix these changes manually. So in order to do that, I have to go to an editor. I can use Vim, but I want to use the VS Code thing. So here it's VS Code is showing me that if you go to this icon here, it's showing me that it wants to do a merge, but it shows that there are some files that has conflicts. So let's head over in these files and check out what are the conflicts. So right, so here it has a conflict. It has 9 and then yeah, so this is the redundant question. So I'm going to just accept the incoming change here and see if that gives me what I want. So this is the question number 9, 10, 11. So now it's correct. I just removed the one that was no longer needed. Okay, so I can save this. And now I can add this because there is no more of these conflicts in this file. So I can add this, and that should make the conflict go away. The other merge conflict here is this one. So I had made a mistake in this, and so here I'm adding changing the option for request, or option A. I'm making it more distinct because it might confuse people to think that this is the correct answer. So once again, I'm going to accept the incoming thing, but I want to pick the right answer anyway. So I do this, and then I merge that or add that to staging. There is also a change here in the scramble. Let's see, what's this? Right. So here I made some changes that I want to keep my own changes, I think. So I'm going to accept current change. Okay. And then I'm adding that. And then there's a, okay. So here's again something that I want to keep my own, accept current change. Don't want to bring in the change that, because this is my own solution to this particular assignment, so I don't want to go back with no solution, basically. So I'm keeping that and adding it to staging. Okay, that was resolving all of the conflicts. Obviously, you have to figure out yourselves when there are some changes that may impact your own code. So now I'm ready to merge this. So I just hit Command Enter or Control Enter or something, whatever is said here, to commit those changes. So I'm going to head over here now to check the Git status and see that I now have 5 additional commits. One of them is this merge commit. So let's check out the log. So this is the most recent commit from doing this merge. And this is the last commit I did myself. And as you can see, there are some commits that's coming from the course assignments master repository. And yeah, several of these changes come from this. So now the change is on my laptop. So I now can just do git push in order to push them up to GitHub, and by extension also Autograder. So now it should update Autograder and also commit. So I can take a look here. I now see I have 59 commits, and these are the most recent changes that got added from this merge. Okay, that's it for today.